everybody. I am Kaiman. I'm 7. Nice to meet you. Today I introduce to you about a farm. Look, there are many animals on the farm. The first, this is a cow. We often drink milk from these cows. What animal do you see? These are sheep. I have got a fleece jacket. How many chickens are there? There are 2 chickens. The next, this is a duck. Do you love duck? This is a pig. We often eat the meat of pigs. The next, there are 3 horses. Do you like horseback riding? I like horseback riding. Do you know these animals? These are goats. And last one, this is a fish. Do you like to eat fish? I don't like to eat fish. Thank you. See you next video. Goodbye.